Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. It's so important if you have a family or pets to have a great doormat. This gorgeous rugged doormat from Mytopsin has far exceeded my expectations of how durable and how sturdy that a doormat should be. This is the 20 by 18 size and it's perfect whether you want to use it for indoor or for right outside of your door. The mat really holds everything in as you're coming and going. And so if you live in an area that has high traffic, if you have leaves that often come in or dirt, it's perfect for catching everything. I really love that it has the rubber lip around the edges and the bottom is fully rubber as well. You can really feel that it's a nice, heavy, durable rug, so it stays in place while you're using it. It also has a nice soft texture, and those patterns going different ways really help to be able to catch everything as you go by. I really love having this doormat at our back door. It traps all of the outside stuff that I don't want coming in, and also my cat sits at the back door, so it traps all of her fur, keeping it nice in one place, but yet making it easy to vacuum. If you're looking for an awesome doormat, check this one out. But that's just my point of view.